A page break moves the content after the break to the next page in your document. This tutorial shows how to insert page breaks in Microsoft Word using 3 different methods. We'll also look at how to delete page breaks. Please note that we'll cover section breaks in a separate tutorial. I'll be using Word for Microsoft 365. These steps will also work in Word 2019, Word 2016, Word 2013, and Word for Mac. There are 3 ways to insert page breaks in Microsoft Word: the Insert tab, the Layout tab, and the keyboard shortcut. Before we begin, I recommend selecting the Show Hide button in the Home tab to show the formatting marks in your document, including page breaks. To begin, place your cursor where you want to insert the break. Then select the Insert tab in the ribbon, followed by Page Break in the Pages group. The content after the break should move to the next page in your document. For the next method, once again place your cursor where you want to insert the break. This time, select the Layout tab in the ribbon, followed by Breaks in the Page Setup group. Next, select Page in the drop-down menu. To use the keyboard shortcut, place your cursor where you want to insert the break, and then PC users can press Ctrl plus Enter, while Mac users can press Command plus Return. Now we're going to delete a page break. If you haven't already done so, select the Show Hide button in the Home tab to reveal the formatting marks. Then place your cursor at the start of the page break, and select the Delete key on your keyboard to remove the break. You can now reselect the Show Hide button if you'd like to hide the formatting marks. As always, remember to save your file to save your changes.